No, ga weg hoor.
Ja, opa. Ja.
Kan de deur open?
Ja,
Is
kan
gesloten,
ik de deur
gesloten.
open?
Ah, dat deur is gesloten.
Ja, nee, de deur is niet gesloten. Oh.
Ja, die kan weg.
Ja?
Oké, Walter.
We are waiting for somebody to come. Hello.
Ah, you mean somebody must come out? Oh, okay.
Yeah, somebody has to come. Let's see. Hello.
Hello.
Hallo. Even de deur dicht. Hallo. SANKOFATETE NOKWARE ABUSUA. We are back again. This is Nana Hemaa Gyabaa and America say yada otwedia mpo Nana Kugoko obatampa ase said wahwe yesu ne yede sote nkwamu mama wata obatampa enye nyina ne say yes sorry but was sorry na mesoma sorry nti yeda na se me da Nana okonji amai ya unisi da me kunsu so ase ene yede ensembi bremone ene yankasa too much na mahu se enema bi ekoso wo media ya yesi obi ya Bernard Nyarko ya ede wowu this is eno na ede mpese ede yakasa fa ho ene muni bibi eni kwa se ede mo dwen ana se mo kai ana se musu
Abi, I lost my bank card. Can you give me 20? I give you tomorrow.
Oh, I'm doing live video. Hey, I'm doing live video. Oh my God. Okay, now, hi, hello, Paul. Morning, baby. Na no mo de bibi atuma kuma you said that Nyarko ede omuye. What you say? Memu believe that sebi that bullshit. Nyarko emu mupese mutie me very good na SANKOFATETE NOKWARE ABUSUA yeah de kasa efa ho only the media is playing with your mind. The media is playing with your mind. If you want to sit down and let the media play with your mind now, then it seems that I don't know to say you do to isu ya pan ne do to so krampo na dey obeyra. The media is playing with your mind. What is Jamaican? Nyarko is not dead. What is Nyarko is not dead. Start to analyze some things. Okay, now if somebody is dead now, how can say that the same day these people na yete omo say the papa na ewu no omo the videos omo the videos enede omo de esi wo man omo the camera omo de esi wo man so enede people are mocking. I mean the people are mocking. Omo say omo chira mo say that you know what omo Jesus no owu ye no kai omo Christianity say omo Jesus na owu ye 33-year-old Jesus na owu ye na omo say o sa sorry back again. The same thing and they seem say that omo person that omo use that strategy no because they are coming with different and everlasting life. They are coming with different mind, different sort of morning baby, the same thing, and they lie to you saying the coronavirus is virus, but it wasn't a virus. What do I say? They don't have the coronavirus a bad virus. Some guys say coronavirus, but it wasn't coronavirus. It was something else. These people are going to die, and they are going to use different names to come back and to deceive you. You have to listen to me and listen to me very well. We are SANKOFATETE NOKWARE ABUSUA. Just try and sit down and let Nana more start to say that omono mo kasa. Then you know what I'm talking about. What do I say? Woman Nana no mo. I have break. No, I have break. Oh, I have break. Please. Look, You need to wake up. These people are just deceiving you guys. You people shouldn't be worried. You people should not be talking. Only what you have to do is just communicate with our mothers, ancestors. Right now, I'm talking about the media is fooling you guys. That's all. The media is fooling you fucking time. What the hell is going on in Ghana? You know, here we know what is going on because these people, they die, they bring them back again with different name. But Ghana, on the system, the way in the morning said that there are a lot of illiterates. There are a lot of illiterates that now, no, they don't even go and do the research out of it. How? Why? Because, no, it all began in Christianity. You know, the father of Christianity was very, very wicked. You see, the father of Christianity, Constantine, was very, very wicked. What I say? We are very, very wicked. There's someone who said that the lineage, the ancestors, their followers, they are very, very wicked. When you're wicked, they will do everything to get fame. They will do everything to get money. So Bernard Nyarko, don't let these people fool you. This man is not dead. This man is alive. Alive right now, I'm saying. These people, no, they are fooling you guys and bring all these stupidity videos. And even you can see, say the friends on with the camera see woman name like what the hell? I am not stupid. But the people who are in Ghana, you people are just going along with it.
Wake up.
You need to wake up this time. I am sick and tired of it in my own country, your own people. Your own people, even if they're not white crown pon a deceive woman, your own people is just deceiving you with this. Enough is enough. Don't let these people deceive you because no, this is not the end time. This is not the end time. That these the pastors actually say end time. Nana Obatampa. Mami Wata on this side he said or destroy the land, and there is no heaven will destroy this land. But Obama amafwe chia a cat ya the boni o my piano on be chia cano in reakete. These media no my media na celebrities or celebrities no. These people they think say you people are very very full. Mono bet me deceive you. Me no they cannot deceive me. What I say? Mono bet me deceive you. They cannot deceive me. What I say? So right now, no, if you sit there and laugh, if you sit there and cry, you are going along with your slave master, the father of Christianity. No, only now you go along with that person. You know, the father of Christianity brought Christianity to you. He was very, very wicked. You see, Constantine was very, very wicked person. He changed everything. He changed everything of it. So anyone who is a Christian, this person automatically, the person become wicked. He will become wicked. He said that they don't care about you. You see, when they say to them, when they go to aquatic or more kingdom now, if they ask them to do things now, the assignment that they have given to them, they will do it. They don't matter. They don't care if it is your sister or your mother or your cousin or your grandmother. They don't care about you. What I say? They don't care about you. What they care is about their money and their fame. That is what they care about you. And then I'm very, 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 very angry. Angry what? Why am I angry now? So-called Bernard Nyarko said this man, I mean, how can you plan something like this? No, it's only Ghana these people can go on. It's only Ghana that this kind of shit can go on like this. You see, people are just worried. They don't even have food to eat. There is a corona time of hour like this. We have been lying about this corona. So-called corona. Now, some people have sit down and plan about some things. They decided that they want to deceive the whole Ghana nation. They want to deceive the whole Ghana nation. What the hell is going on, Ghana? Ghana, the people inside. You don't even care about yourselves. You see, you don't even cry for yourself. You see, people are dying. They don't have food to eat. They don't have nothing. All that you people do is about fame. It's about money. But the pastors, no. I will come back to you. You people, you pastors, you are pedophiles. What I say? When you're so homo, you people are disgust and disgrace. Ghana. You say, what is wrong with you? You people want, if you people want to have your own church and whatever that you want it in Ghana, just do it. Then go and ask the Constantine, the father of Christianity, to give you guys power. Don't go to Nanano. I conform to get the powers now to come and deceive you with our children, our young ones. You see, Obatampa Mami Wata is going to destroy you people. You see, your nation, she is going to cut you people off. What I say, it is disgusting and it is disgrace. It's wickedness and it is madness. What I say, we are suffering as a water one on American Ghana. There is in the whole world there is no person that called pastor, because they are all fame and they are all wicked, and there is no fake. Say they're fake. There is no Jesus Christ, a white or black. I mean, there is no Jesus. There is nothing. What I say, it is Yemame or Batampa and a bow, a riasi and Yeme woman in what I say. There is no Obronipian one more or ball, nothing. What I say, Obronipian one more ball, nothing. But you people are just sitting there and going to church and abroad. Oba, a yare, who call hospital. You don't even have money to buy any medicine. Who call suffer one as we stand there. Oma we can go to medicine now. What the old pastor and catch it. That is no catch it. What I say, Omba will be a cotowe. Even Grandbo Catcher said the better oil, near the ebeto and coon, near the other person, banayari. What I say, there is no nothing called Christianity if it comes to Yananano. Omana beti chirikrono. Don't forget that. Omana beti chirikrono. Christianity by a near anonymous sum yes sum dada. What I say, an anonymous sum yes sum dada. Who brought the Christianity? The Constantine, or is it in 325 AD, and what day, the Council of Nicaea. What I say, yeah, what the hell is going on? You people know, I'm very, very, very angry with you. You know, I'm very, 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 very angry. Really, really, very, very angry. What the hell is going on? You see, you people just sit down and plan something, and you just give up. We have to deceive this people. Mighty, come in. You see,
yes,
yeah.
Like what my sister is saying, you people must wake up. Because the people that are sleeping. You must wake up and stand for your right. You can't give up the fight. You must start look back what our ancestors them are doing. They do for us, for go in front. You see, people them they listen too much to the Brunei pastors them. They don't listen to the own people. Your own people have power to tell you something, but you don't listen. You could not go in the way of Christianity, how they tell you to pay tithes. They tell you do all these things. You people don't even can understand why you people do this. That means it's like they hypnotize the black people so they can do it, because they are not waking up. You don't wake up. You're still sleeping. You still got no belief in why Jesus. Well, you people must get up when you people think he come from the sky. When you gonna come from the sky? It's thousands of years you waiting for come from the sky. Already will come give peace in this earth. But the people that must look for go in front. You must wake up. Say like my sister say something, my brother here say something too about that the people must get up. It's very important. You must wake up, you know, because right now everybody is believing what the Brunei people that were saying. They don't give credit to like my sister saying you people to wake up. You must listen to the message good what she is saying. She don't talk for talk, no. You must know that it's time now that to get up and don't give up the fight. You must stand for ourselves. We see the all the West is taking Africa in, the Chinese them, all of them are making Africa nothing. They come with vaccine, They say they want to try it in Africa first. What does that mean? Africa is like a robot then. They don't put Africa up. Because Africa must be up. Africa must be first. No? Africa can be last. You see that Africa is a very is a paradise, because if you talk about even in what is it, the creation, the father of creation is in Africa, because Africa you get gold and everything. Myself was there 5 years ago. Obuasi Deep, all those places you can see a lot of gold, and you see that the people that are holding those people them down. But when it's time now, the people have to get up and don't give up the fight. I pass to my sister. Yeah.
Yes. What we are trying to say is that my brother has said enough. You know, it's very sad to see what is going on in Ghana. It's very sad that people is just playing with people's mind. Young says, SANKOFATETE NOKWARE, please start preparing yourself. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them fool you. What shall I say? Don't let them fool you. Nyarko is not dead. This man is not dead. He is not dead. See? He is not dead. Think and think twice. And start doing your own research. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them fool you. What I say? If you are deep in spirituality, then you will see what is going on in Ghana. If you are deep in spirituality, then you will know what is going on in Ghana. I'm not going to let myself be fooled. You understand? You are not going to let yourself be fooled. So I'm going to end up here. What I say? Now, it's time for Ghana to wake up. People themselves, you know, the plan that they did, wait and see, it's going to just backfire on them. You see, who so-called celebrities, what I say, they are one, Obatampa Water is going to shame all of them. You see, they are not going to let our young ones to sit down and cry, and these people will be sitting there and just watching and just laughing at you. You see, it's time for you to wake up. You know, it's time for you to wake up. Ghana. So this is not playing games. We are not playing games here. Those who want to listen, then you can listen. For those who think that we are just sitting here and just blah 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 blah, it's up to you. If you let your pastor fool you, go ahead. But right now, I'm talking to our children. I'm talking to our young ones. They are the most important thing in our lives right now. I'm growing up. I can make my own decision. You see, they have been lied, tortured us. They kill our ancestors. They do us harm. They told us that they have to throw their gods away and come and follow them. I mean, think, the same people brought this Christianity to us. The same people, after they killing your father and mother, they brought Christianity to you, and they tell you that throw your gods away and come and follow us. They are so-called Jesus Christ. Now, they bring all this Christianity to Ghana. They brought it to Ghana. Now it is time. Now it is time for you to fight now, because it will come to a time that you don't have any to say. Somebody is going to make decision for you. Right now, they are making decision. What I say, when you have your child, when you are pregnant in your belly, in your stomach, and you start lying to your child, the moment this child is delivered, the moment this child come out of your belly, then you have already teach the child how to lie. What I say, the child is inside your belly, but you are going to teach your child to lie. By the time the child is 1 year, 2 years, then you cannot turn back anymore, because through a generation, it is time right now to fight, to know the truth, to know and be sincere, and don't be afraid. You see, don't be afraid to tell your pastor, I want to go and follow my ancestors. Don't be afraid. They are not and what nowadays no.
Yeah, they
Many people are afraid of these so-called pastors, and it is very sad.
They see the pastor as God.
They see the pastor as
yes,
God.
Yes, pastor as God. Yes, and the pastor, same people like them. The pastor have blood, everything the same like them.
Yeah.
Yes, but the pastor must tell them they are blessed. What is that? A pastor will tell you that you are blessed. The pastor will lie to you, tell you things that you ease one ear, and tell you prosperity gospel. He will do everything for that. It's not good.
It is not good.
They are completely, they hypnotize them. The pastor hypnotize them.
You said it all.
It's not left.
You said it all. You said it all. Really. My brother said it all. Yeah. They have made them, they have put their brainwash inside them that they cannot make their own decision.
Pastor standing on people with on the belly, kick the people that make them, they drink gasoline, gas oil. What is that? What is that to make the people that eat grass? Oh, it's really wicked, really wicked. Oyakupon is really not like these things.
No.
They are not good. Yeah, they are not good. They are doing too much wicked things with the people there. It's not nice.
My brother is from Caribbean. My brother is from Caribbean, Antigua, South America. That is where my brother is from. So he was here to join me to bring the message. Thank you very much, and we are going to end up here. Don't forget, Nyarko is not dead. What I say, he is not dead. He is alive. Don't let them fool you. You know, you are too precious. Nananamo, they love you so much. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them fool you. You are not crazy. It is enough is enough. Enough is enough. The time has come. It's time Nananamo is waking her children. You see, they are waking up. So, my message and Anonymous said that the Christianity, the Christian, they may not believe me, they may believe me. Fine. Yeah, I don't have problem with it. You see, I don't, because they allow themselves to be used. But I'm talking to SANKOFATETE for. So I'm gonna end here. Like I say, Nyarko is not dead. This man is alive. Wait and see. They will bring somebody who they say that his name is Isaac Nyarko. So don't forget that. Nananomu, they are talking. They are talking and they are listening to us. And Amagana, they are going to shake Amagana. For those these things said they have Christianity doctrine. For those they say they have a Christianity doctrine, they have their celebrities or whatever that they are capable of lying to their own family of Ghana. What a shame. You see, it's very, very shame. What you guys taking the money? Where are you guys bringing the money or taking the money to? When you die, where are you going? Who is going to? Are you going to bring money inside the grave? These people, I mean, come on, think. You know, if you die, if you change your body, if you change everything, if you die right now, are you going to take the money, all the money that you have gotten? Are you going to take it inside the grave? Somebody that you don't even love, somebody that you don't even care, the person is going to, the one who is going to chop it. So it's time for you to wake up. Your friend Hemaa, I'm a Gyabaa. Today I'm very, very angry. Very, very, very angry. You people have not seen me like this, but I'm very, very angry. I'm sick and tired of people who have sit down and planned to go and deceive people.
Using people.
Yeah, and using people. I mean, what kind of madness and wicked like this? You see, I will end up here and Nananom, the trade and poor but and Palma, no what Nananom bless you or the friend Nana Hemaa, I'm a Gyabaa. Ea, me hokani, Miko, Nana or Sankani, Yao. Intino, me SANKOFATETE in the ABUSUA. Me Antichrist, now, me worship, me Nananomosum, the friend me comfort a fear Bama. Okay, now have a nice day. And we thank you guys and we thanks and we're gonna bring some another breaking news. Mighty, say something to our family in Ghana.
Yes, I can say them those that wake up will be very good that wake up the other people them. I greet you people. I want that you people stay with God or Yakupong in the casa. I want that you people them wake up and be strong. So it's nice to talk with you people. Goodbye. Till next time.
Yeah, until next time. Goodbye, and I hope to see you guys soon tomorrow. I believe when I get some small time, I will come online and then I will bring you beautiful news. But don't let them fool you. But Nyarko is not dead.
Don't give up the fight.
He is alive. Don't give up the fight. When they say to you that they are dead, no, and he is dead, no, don't believe it. If you don't believe me, make your research. What I say. If you don't believe me, so simple. Start going through and make your research. They think that you don't know. You see, they think that you don't know. They think that you don't know, but we know. You see, we know because we are in spirituality. What I say, we know, and Anonymous is helping us to find out the truth behind all this. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sister Patricia. Thank you, Brother Isaac. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.